Hi everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to set this up and an overview of what it is capable of. To start with, you add names here under step 1. So I've got my names, I've got 13 added. It tells you how many you have total. Step 2 is you can either say how many groups do you want to separate these names into, or how many people do you want in each group. So I can change this 3 to a 4. So I want group size is a 4. So you can see there's 4 people per group. And then it does tell you that you have an odd group of 1. So you probably end up shuffling them over here. Uh, but then if I change this to number of groups, it makes 4 groups out of this. And it ends up being the same structure. But I could change this to a 5. And you see you end up with 5 groups. Some other functions here, you got the reshuffle button that will reshuffle the names for you. And then if you like this particular set of people, you can hit the save group and it will copy and paste it over to this sheet for you to print out. So those are the functions of what you can do and how to set it up and get started with this.